How to see other people's best friend list on Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Snapchat application. Then go to the chat section. After that, you will see an option of adding friend over here. Now, if you tap on add and then after that other friends or other people will appear over here. So that means you will get a brief idea of other people that are added to that person. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.